I'm here in the middle of the city, and I'm walking about, and I wanted to point out something that I've noticed, like everywhere I've been looking out the bus and looking off the grab bike, all throughout the city, that I think is a pretty cool, interesting thing. Not only do they have a lot of parks, which that's cool in itself, but even outside my own condo place or apartment place, they have these public workout machines, and they're free, they're open to the public, and they're just different types of workout machines, and and I see the public using them. They're out here, and they're using the exercise equipment. It's a really cool idea, for the community to basically just stay in shape, and they're at a lot of the parks, and I even see them like I said, just right outside by the river, in random places. I also wanted to show you this place that I happened to come across, and let's see if I can find a way in here at the one side. Yep. And right here by the park, they've got a variety of eateries. Hello. Hello. Muy bien, good. They've got a variety of places to eat, really good food, very reasonable. 20,000 dong is about 90 cents. Yeah. And yeah, so very nice, very clean, very cool looking food. Let me see if I can get here a little bit closer. Hello, hi. Let's see, and they have everything. They got fruit juices. I'm really a big fan of the carrot juice and watermelon. Really good stuff. Let's see, over here they got like another smoothie. They also have the ones with the bobo. It's like a little black ball. I forget what it's made out of, but it's, some people like them, some people don't. So they got pho, stuff with rice. Oh, no, not right now, but thank you. Come on. Let's see. Come on. That's my first word I think I've really learned besides ga. Ga is chicken, and come on is thank you. Anyway, so you got some food places here, some seating, some buko juice, and let's see, yeah, just a variety of things. So if you're ever thirsty, you can always find something to drink and something to eat, and then go to the park and work it off. Anyways, so just a cool thing I really like about here so far is, again, just the emphasis on healthy food and healthy lifestyle. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.